Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn about adding images to our website. So on my left, I have this brackets code editor with a simple HTML file with basic structure. And on my right, I have this Chrome window with live preview. Adding images to the web page is very easy. Let me tell you that the images may look very ugly if we do not add any styling to them. So we might get into some styling in this lecture. In order to add the image in the web page, we use the img element. This element does not have any closing tag because all the required information is provided in the opening tag. In order to tell which image to display, it uses the source attribute written as src. Then the path is provided here. If I open my HTML folder, you can see that I have this image with the name of image1. So in the brackets editor, as soon as I start typing the name of the image by writing I, you can see that the name of the image appears. Press enter to select this image and you can see the image in live preview. As I told you that the image may not appear nice unless we apply some styling to it. The method which I am going to show you just now is not recommended for real websites. Please remember that the images are styled by using CSS and this method is just for educational purposes. So add the attribute of width and give it the value of 100. This will change the width of image to 100 pixels. The height will be adjusted according to the aspect ratio of the image. You can set the value of height as well. In this case, the height will be 100 pixels and the width will be adjusted accordingly. However, if you try to set the values of height and width simultaneously, your image may look like this, and this is not good. So let me remove it. The source attribute can take other values as well. For example, we can show images from other websites. So go to unsplash.com and search for computer. Right-click on this image and copy link location. Go to brackets and paste this URL here. Now you can see that the same image is displayed here. Finally, as far as images is concerned, there is another very important attribute and that is known as alt. This is basically the alternate text. So I will add the text as women working on computer. This alternate text has three purposes. First is that in case the browser cannot find the image, this text is shown. So let me change the URL. You can see that the alt text is shown here. The second purpose is that it helps the visually impaired people to understand what this image is about. And finally, this is a best practice for search engine optimization, aka SEO, so that the search engines can find out what images you have placed on your website. I think that's all for images. See you in next lecture.